Welcome to this quick guide on turning Google Docs files into PDF documents. And please leave a like if you find it helpful. Before getting started, make sure you have the document ready in Google Docs. Open the File menu in the top left corner to begin exporting. Hover over Download to reveal the list of available export formats. Select PDF document, save your file in that format. Google Docs processes the export, and Chrome saves the new PDF file to your computer. Click on the completed download notification to open your new PDF. The exported document opens right inside your browser's built-in PDF viewer. You can now scroll through the pages to check your formatting and layout. You've successfully converted your Google Doc into a clean, shareable PDF. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech guides.